OT. OT. That means out of town. He out of town. You heard me? Say he out of town. Y'all better stop playing with OT. Not OT. Hurricane Wisdom.
OT on keto. OT on keto. OT on keto. Man, 3-5 to my head. Ain't shy if you gon' scared. Hey TJ, my dad. Oh, we gon' get up. Oh, we gon' get up. Oh, we gon' get up, man. I get it fast and spin it fast. This life I ain't never planned. Oh, we gon' get up.
Oh, we gon' get up.
You know it's times I walk away, but I ain't never.
Now this is real music. Now what we just listened to, Lil TJ?
Oh, we gon' get up. Oh, we gon' get up. Oh, we gon' get up, man.
This I cuff from me. Oh, we gon' geek up. Oh, we gon' geek up, oh man.
Oh, we gon' get it, can't sleep. Puff on, I still can't sleep. I'll sleep, but I'm never lazy. We say we're granny, baby. OT, I'll get alright. OT, I'll drink some. 2 10s, free some. On 2 chins, I'm never lonely. No shit ain't fine, but making it work. I'm stuck in my mind, I'm making it worse. Free time, here, do a nigga worse.
Wait, is that real?
Ain't fine, but making it work. I'm stuck.
Is this real or this AI?
I don't make it worse.
Am I tripping?
Free time.
Y'all see this? Is this real or this gotta be real? Like this look too real. This look too real. I mean, it don't look like a tornado, but it look like smoke coming out of a house. Like
free time, he'll do a nigga worse. Free mode, he'll do a nigga first. I do what I can, I don't need no earth. 3-5, I ain't need no earth. He lied, now his ass in the dirt. Went live, then he got his ass murked. Stay on 10 when you mention murder. Bitch, right, being a burger. Face black, then he feel like a burger. What we doing?
I wonder who he talking about. What do we talking about? He went live and got murked. Shazam.
OT on keto. OT on keto. OT on keto, man. 3-5 to my head. Ain't shy if you gon' scared. Hey TJ, my dad. Oh, we gon' get up. Oh, we gon' get up. Oh, we gon' get up, man. I get it fast and
I gon' fake this hard.
I never planned. Oh, we gon' get up.
Oh,
I never planned. You know it's times I walk away, but I ain't never ran.
I know it's times I walked away, but I never ran. Who made you walk away? Oh, you walk away from the situation? You walk away from the situation, huh? You walk away from the situation, you ain't want no problems, you just walk away, huh?